In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Payoneer. This is an essential step if you want to manage your funds efficiently and withdraw your earnings straight to your bank. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by logging into your Payoneer account. Once you're logged in and on your Payoneer homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a sidebar with several options. Look for the option labeled Manage and go ahead and click on it. This is where you can access various management features related to your account. After clicking on Manage, you'll be presented with a few more options. What we're interested in is the Bank Accounts for Withdrawal option. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can see all the bank accounts you've linked for withdrawals, if any. Now it's time to add a new bank account. Look for the Add Bank Account button and click on it. This is the gateway to linking a new bank account to your Payoneer profile, allowing you to facilitate easy transfers and manage your funds more effectively. Once you've clicked on Add Bank Account, you'll be prompted to enter your bank details. This is a very important step, so make sure you have your bank information readily available and that you enter it accurately. You'll need to input details such as your bank's name, your account number, and possibly some verification information, depending on your bank's requirements. Payoneer may guide you through some additional verification steps to ensure the security of your account and to confirm that the bank account is indeed yours. Follow these prompts carefully, and once you've entered all the necessary information, review it to make sure everything is correct. Any errors here could lead to issues with future transactions, so it's worth taking an extra moment to double-check all the details. And just like that, you've successfully added your bank account to Payoneer. This setup allows you to transfer funds from your Payoneer account directly to your bank, providing a seamless way to access your money. Remember, having your bank account linked to Payoneer not only enhances your ability to manage your finances, but also adds a layer of convenience to your financial operations. So there you have it, a simple yet crucial task completed. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.